So hello students, welcome to this video of Khandeba College of Management Science and Technology, and in this video we are going to learn about marketing management. So it is one of the very interesting subject. To let me tell you, if you are a management student, marketing management is one of the most interesting subject. If you are really looking forward to have a command in market, to really want to understand marketing strategy, to see how market goes up, to see how market goes down, to see and learn how basically product comes into market and really performs well and becomes a brand a day, I think marketing management is one of the subjects that you should really learn about. So let's start with this video, and let me tell you that in this video we are going to cover about marketing management, and we are going to talk about what is the introduction and what is the concept of marketing here. So to start with this video, I have a very simple question to you people, that what is marketing in your eyes? Whatever is the answer in your mind, you can comment on the video and can let me know what marketing is actually there in your mind, and whenever you hear this word, what comes to your mind first. So to elaborate and to understand this easily, I have marked a name of a company here. The company name is CCD. You people must have heard this company name many a times in your life. CCD. Is it Cafe Coffee Day? So the point is it a promoted video? Is it a sponsored video and I'm promoting a brand Cafe Coffee Day here? So the answer is no. My only objective of taking the name of this company, CCD, Cafe Coffee Day, is to basically help you understand what marketing is all about. Don't be surprised. Don't feel that why am I correlating the concept of marketing management with CCD? So the only reason of correlating the concept of marketing with CCD is because CCD has a big name in market, Cafe Coffee Day, and you know what? Each alphabet used in this particular abbreviation is basically an indication to the exact meaning of marketing. Let's understand it one by one. So the very first alphabet in the name of CCD is C. So what marketing says about Cafe Coffee Day, the C here in this abbreviation is create. So what I mean to say is कि जब भी हम marketing की बात करते हैं, so this very first abbreviation that comes to our mind is CCD, and the C is about create. What are you going to create basically in market? So the point is, जब भी हम marketing management की बात करते हैं, तो we consider the entire society, we consider all our customers. जिन customers को हम basically serve करना चाहते हैं, जिन customers के लिए हम कोई product बनाना चाहते हैं, it is certain कि उनकी कोई ना कोई market में need जरूर होगी. लेकिन उनकी वो need है क्या ultimately? So a marketer basically does a study to basically identify कि ultimately customer की need है क्या, right? For that, we study the another branch of marketing management, and that is consumer behavior, which actually tells us that what exactly the customer is looking for. A customer may have certain need, wants, and demand. Again, there is a question mark. I just said need, want, and demand. Customer की need होती है, wants होती है, demand होती है, but they sound almost a similar word. तो difference क्या है इन तीनों के बीच में? So when we talk about customers' need, it can be anything. For example, I'm feeling hungry right now. So anything that can satisfy my need and can satisfy my hunger can become my demand as well. But again, is that really true? So again, let's understand this with the help of an example. I'm feeling hungry. I want to eat something because that will satisfy my need. So that's about need. I'm feeling hungry. But what is want? Wants are the alternatives available to satisfy a particular need. For example, maybe I'll eat a packet of chips and that will satisfy my hunger. Or I'll specifically eat McDonald's burger and that will satisfy my hunger. Or maybe I'll go my home and will eat the food cooked by my mother and that I'll eat again. So that is again the another alternative which I can have to satisfy my hunger. Point is, I've got three alternatives to satisfy my hunger here. So these three things are basically my wants. Means one of these I am demanding to satisfy my hunger here. The last comes that what is my demand. So point is, for example, I'm working here in my working organization right now, and I'm feeling hungry right now. It is but for sure that I will not be able to eat the homemade food cooked by my mother because I have not brought it here. So point is, can I go to canteen and can buy a packet of chips? Or can I basically go and buy a McDonald's burger right now? So point is, again, being in working organization, I cannot move straight to McDonald's to eat burger. So again, the alternative which is currently suiting the situation is to go to the canteen and to buy a packet of chips. So point is, अगर मैंने वो एक packet of chips खरीदा and I have 20 rupees to buy that particular packet of chips, so that chips, because it is suiting to the situation particularly, and it will satisfy my hunger as well. So again, this packet of chips will become my demand, not because of the reason because it can satisfy my need. The only reason is it can not only satisfy my need but also it is suiting to my pocket. For example, the same packet of chips might be available for piece, for example 100, 150 or maybe any amount which I'm not carrying in my pocket right now and I cannot pay for it. Again, because I'll not be able to afford it at this moment, again it cannot become my demand. So you can understand this example in such a way, anything that can satisfy my need and also it satisfies my pocket, I mean it comes to my pocket, affordability as well, that becomes my demand. So again, what we are talking about is, C is about creating. So any company who's going to start marketing management will start creating something. But what will they create? They will create something that can satisfy a consumer's need, wants or demand. Moving on to the next C of this complete process is to communicate. Imagine a company who has made a product but they are not going to propagate about it. Do you really think that a customer will have a dream that okay, a company has launched a product in market and that can really satisfy my need and I should go to market and to buy that? No, it is not going to happen. So point is, if anything is done but is not communicated, will not reach to my audience. So it is as similar as a marketer does. So marketer has produced a product which was your need, but again, what he will do now, he'll basically communicate, he'll promote about his product to reach you as a final audience. And once he'll be able to communicate with you the ultimate information you want to share, he will basically create a demand in the market telling you indirectly. The last one's D. So I just ended my discussion talking about demand. So does D here stands for demand? So the answer is no. D here stands means demand, I mean distribution, right? I created something, I communicated to you so that you get to know about it, and now at final end you will be definitely raising your demand in the market. Now, until and unless I do not distribute my product in market, I do not make its reach available to you at your nearest place, my product will not survive in market and my product will not be bought by you. So point is, this CCDA is a very good abbreviation to basically help us understand what marketing management is all about. C stands for create. That means a marketer will create something. It may be something creative, something innovative, but would be something that would satisfy a customer need. Next is C, communicate. Once he has created that, he will communicate about it to you as a product that he has prepared, and now he will try to basically convince you that you should buy this product. The third is D. He will try to distribute this product in the market. He will create his distribution channel in the market such a way so that any customer looking into a specific area, if demanding this product, would be available nearby him. So this is what I wanted to basically tell you with the help of this video, that marketing management has a very interesting concept and it moreover roams around these three things: what you create, what you communicate, and what you distribute to the customer. But again, there's one thing that you should really understand. All these three functions are happening for one single identity, and that is customer. So mark my words, that customer is a king. That means customer is a king, means customer is treated as a god in market. He's the one who generates the business, who operates the business, and he's the one only who can destroy the business. Imagine you generated a product that is the customer's need and so will be sold to him so that he's satisfied. Imagine if the customer stops demanding for it. Do you think that in any long period of time you will be able to continuously produce that product and to sell it in the market? You will not be able to do that. Reason being, because till the time customer is demanding the product in market, your product would be sold to him. But again, the moment he stops demanding, your business will be divested. So point is, he is the god in market. No, and so marketing management gives high priority to the customer and his satisfaction level, because again, it is going to be the customer satisfaction only that will let your business go continuously running in market. So believe me, if you are going to learn about marketing management, just keep one thing in mind, that marketing management is all about learning how my customer is basically behaving in market and what I can sell to him so that he is getting the satisfied response from my side. There's one more objective of marketing management as a concept, as an introduction as a whole, that at last the business objective of earning profit will be achieved, but using and generating the customer satisfaction in market. If my customer is satisfied, but for sure that I will not only be gaining profit, but I'll be also achieving the profit in the long term too, because this would be same as my customer would keep on demanding the product that I'm selling in case if he's satisfied. So there's only one simple equation that marketing management follows, that one satisfied customer brings 1,000 new customers, but mark my words, one dissatisfied customer brings you 10,000 dissatisfied customers. Now you decide as a marketer, once you study about marketing management, what exactly you are looking for. A business out of thousands of customers or a loss out of 10,000 of customers. I hope you like this video, and in case if you are looking forward for more such videos, you can connect with us on the same platform where the multiple videos will keep coming about marketing management, and we'll continue to discuss this entire subject in times to come. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll connect with some more videos in the next class. Thank you.